Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to change your Supercell ID email on Clash of Clans. First, open your Clash of Clans app. Then, tap on Settings and go to Help and Support. Then, select Account. Tap on the chat icon and select Open a support case. Select Supercell ID. Now tap on Opt out of Supercell ID. Then, tap on Disconnect this account. Select No and type in your issue in the box. You should get your solution right here. That's it. Thanks for watching, and if you liked the video, leave a like, share, and subscribe.